Hey everyone, here we are on Tuesday evening, and the US session started about 1 hour ago. Wall Street, that is, opened about 1 hour ago. The Forex markets opened in the US session 2.5 hours ago. And first, we'll look at Bitcoin, and I have a buy limit on Bitcoin. We made a big move up with Bitcoin yesterday, huge move up to $110,400. And that was from 105,000 yesterday. So just in the last 4 days, Bitcoin has moved up over $10,000. It got down to 100,000 last week, but just in 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it's moved up more than $10,000 in 4 days. Incredible. So Bitcoin is a good buy. It's coming down now, and it likely will break below this 105,000 and come back down to our resistance level. Well, it probably won't go to 105. 105 is right here, but I have support. I have the next support level at 107, 107,800. If you're buying Bitcoin, that's the next support level. You can see where it was resistance and now it's support. So if you're buying Bitcoin, 107,800 is a good place to buy. Now, if it looks like it has a momentum and it's going to break below that, then it's very likely to go back to 105. 105 is a very strong psychological number, very strong support. It's been support for a long, long time. But we have good support here, 107,800. So if you're buying Bitcoin, that's a good place to put your buy limit. And then if you want to put a stop loss, about 106,700. So about $1,000 below that. But I really doubt. I think it's going to bounce off of this support level here and then go back to 110. And then we're probably looking at higher prices. A great move yesterday on Bitcoin. So we're really looks like we have the potential to set a new all-time high probably this week. Let's just quickly look at the DXY, see what the dollar is doing. And yeah, it's starting to fall down. It went up a little bit during the Asian Pacific market, then went sideways most of the rest of the day, but now it's really starting to fall down again. But that's the U.S. dollar. It's been going sideways for 3 days now. It's all in the same range. This is kind of a candlestick sandwich that we have here. All right, but we're going to continue to see declining strength, a continuing weakness of the U.S. dollar. So let's go up and look just at gold. I know that's what everybody wants to look at. I'm on the 1 hour chart. We're on the 1 hour chart. And what can we do with gold? Oh, it made a huge move up today. Okay, first of all, the Asia Pacific market started today with a very bearish looking move. Okay, but then it went sideways for 3 hours and then it took off. And then it went bullish, and it's been bullish for the rest of the day. London pushed it up, and then in the U.S. session, it's been moving up. But we got up to a high of 33.50, and that's a psychological support zone. 33.50, 30. I have support at 33.54. That's a zone there where it's strong support and resistance. It has been support and resistance in the past. You see all this in the back here. All this support and resistance. 33.50. A very strong level for it to try and break above, and it could not today, not today, not it's not going any higher today, guys. So right now we're at support of 33 was it 33.30. Okay, that has been resistance support in the past, and it's support right now. So why is gold doing this? Why does gold go up and then it's going down again? Oh, that's a good question. It's what gold does. It goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. And today it has gone up. So what is it time for it to do? It's time to go down. That's all it does. It just goes up and down. It's a roller coaster. This is what we keep seeing, a roller coaster. Big move up, big move down, big move up, and now we're going to see a big move down. It could be that we bounce off this support level at 33.30. But I'm not going to be buying right here. Okay, I'm not going to be buying right here. It looks like the bears are trying to take control, and I expect that they're going to go down and test this 3,300 level again. We were down here today in the Asian Pacific market, and it couldn't go any lower. Yesterday we went below that, but then it came right back up, and it hasn't been down to that level for quite a long time. Okay, a couple of weeks ago. So we just go down and up, down and up. Just what you got to do is just ride the roller coaster. So my suggestion is that this is what I'm doing. It's up to you how you trade gold. I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to take a bearish. I'm not going to go short. I'm not going short on gold. Gold is bullish on the day chart and it's neutral on the 4-hour chart. So when something is bullish on the long-term chart, I look for an opportunity to buy. So if I have to wait till it comes to 3,300 again, then I will. Today, I did not take any trade on this bearish move. I waited for it to come down here to the support level around 3,300, and then I took a buy trade. And then look what happened. It went up all day long. So when something is bullish, you want to look for an opportunity to buy. And sometimes you just have to wait. Remember, there's only 3 things you can do in trading: buy, sell, and wait. So I'm not taking any trade. If you want to, it's very risky. You don't know how far this will pull back. Like, look over here. If you go short here, it didn't pull back very far, and then it went up again. So you don't know. Maybe this is only one candle. Maybe it's going to bounce off of support and go up again. So I do not trade against the trend. The trend is my friend. I wait for an opportunity to buy. Gold is bullish, so I wait for an opportunity to buy. Now, if you want to sell, that's up to you. The next support level is 3286. If it should break below 3,300, 3,300 is a very strong support level, very strong psychological level. All right, but if it starts to go up again, if you see some momentum, if the bulls can take over here, and it starts to go up, then it will go back to 3,350 again. We just have to see what the market sentiment is as the market gets going. Another 20 minutes, and usually is when we start to see stronger momentum. But listen, guys, whatever you do, be sure you use a stop loss. If you go short, use a stop loss. If you go long, use a stop loss. Protect your capital. Okay, that's it from me. I hope that you are watching on YouTube. If you are, be sure and subscribe to the channel so you'll get my weekly analysis video of gold and the U.S. major pairs. And if you're watching on Facebook, I appreciate it if you would like and share. And I hope you have a good session of trading wherever you are in the world. Any comments or questions, leave them below this video. I will get back to you. Have a great day, and I'll see you same time tomorrow.